So now the person who is just gonna speak randomly on any topic or any questions can be asked, you have to speak, right? So first of all, we are going to start the counting. So first of all, from one.
3 1 तो मेरा होगा ना 3 4 5 6
7 8 9 10
11 12 13 14 15 16 17
18 19 20
Introduce yourself.
First in this topic
First of all, introduce and then you can speak. Walk and talk. Make eye contact. You have to go now. And while going, you have to speak. Like this, you are going. You are not scared of the people. Whatever you are going to speak, you have to show that you are more confident. Okay? You have to walk and talk and speak. Yeah, go ahead. Introduce.
First of all, guys, this is one of my grandest girl level now. This supercalifragilisticexpialidocious as well as the Saraswati Mansa who gave me this golden opportunity. So my name is Sarvan Fantabulous. Mamla session has been created by Supercalifragilistic, and that session is to speak randomly on any topics. You know it is matches. In which topic I should speak. So I will speak. I will speak. I will speak.
Make eye contact with them.
Have
to make contact. You know we.
Yes.
What's up, now choose topic, na sir. So, like my topic is. Yes, sir. I will speak about the people who irritating people. I will speak about irritating people. Okay, sir. So let's start. You know, in our life, in our whole life, in our whole career, so many irritating people meets us. Like they will, we meet them, they meet us, and means they are talking with each other. But after some time, they realize it is not a friend. It is not a career partner. It is an irritating person who irritates most.
They are
irritating person who people. They are irritating people who irritate most. And sometimes people are just because of that, just because of those people. But after some time we know that those irritating people are means becoming the problem. Could topic change कर सकता हूँ sir? आप बताओ सर topic. Please sir, tell me topic.
Where do you see yourself after 5 years, and how are you just gonna do that? And how are you gonna practice your speech?
So after 5 years, I want to see myself on the high of sky. I want to see myself as a means. I'm making my contact with those all people who are seeing me in virtual reality. I want to see myself after 5 years. I want to see myself after 5 years on high on the sky. You know what? Because after 5 years, I will be graduated. I will be graduated with BBA. And a bachelor's business administrative. I will at that time I will start my small business in this. I want to become a businessman, as you all know from my starting. I want to become a businessman, and for becoming businessman, after 5 years, I want to see myself. I'm not dependent on the parents. I'm not dependent on anyone. After 5 years, I'm independent in myself. That I'm having that much of money that I can feed my friends, take care of my small friends. I can take care of my small friends and feed them always. I will not ask money from the parents. And at a time I can earn. Like at a time I want to become like after that I want to see myself as an earning pillar of myself. Like I want my pocket money and my expenses are not too small. Like if I will give you, my parents will give me 200 rupees, so I can manage in that all things. I need a day thousands of rupees for spending. By the time I want to see myself an independent person and an earning pillar for myself, that I can earn and can manage my all expensive.
So, Nigam, you have to speak on money.
Money.
Yeah. Well. Did I contact
A splendid good evening to one and all. This is Minigam in front of you all. How are you all, everybody? How are you all? I'm not getting your voice. How are you all, everybody? First of all, I would like to thank to my both sir, Mr. Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir, for having me this golden opportunities. As well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the audience, all the companions who all are present over here. Today, I am going to talk about an important thing which can change your life. And I would like to share one side with you all. So be all ears. पास है पैसा नहीं सॉरी पास है पैसे तो लोग पूछते हैं आप है कैसे जब आप हो जाओगे कंगाल कोई नहीं पूछेगा आपका हाल इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं कोई ढंग नहीं इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं कोई ढंग नहीं अगर पास है पैसा तो सब कुछ मेरे दोस्त वरना कोई संग नहीं यू नो गाइस कि तू मत देख अपने आप को बार बार शीशे में कि तू मत देख अपने आप को बार बार शीशे में ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तू कैसा है ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तू कैसा है जब दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत लड़की मिलेगी तुझे जब तेरे जेब में पैसा है You know guys, today I am talking about an important, vital, essential, necessary, which can change your life, which can make your future bright, which is necessary for our career, for our life. That is the power of money. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about there's only one thing which can change your life. There's only one thing by which you can be a Ambani. There's only one thing by which you can be a Elon Musk. There's only one thing by which you can be a Bill Gates. There's only one thing by which you can change your career. You can change your future. You can change yourself. There's only one thing by which you will look handsome and smart. There's only one thing by which you can be a mentally fit, physically fit, emotionally fit, socially fit. There's only one thing you will look handsome. There's only one thing by which you will get married with beautiful girl. There's only one thing. Girls will come when you are having one thing. You know guys, I am talking about the power of money. That is money. You will be right, I'm talking about the power of money. You know guys, I'm talking about the power of money in this generation. Because of the money, we are walking, we are talking, we are eating, we are sleeping. Because of the money. We are standing here because of the money. Because this house built by the money. If we are not having money, no one will ask you, how are you? No one will take care of yourself. No one will ask. No one will see you anything because you are not having the money. But when you are having the money, everyone will ask, how are you? But you are not having the money. People will disrespect you. No one would like to talk to you. No one would like to give you the respect because you are not having the money. If you are having the money, you can get the love. You can get the respect. You can get the value in your life. If you are having the money, you can change your career. You can make your personality. You can do each and everything in your life. Ask from poor people. They are not having money. Because of the money, they are just begging on the road. They are not having the money. They are just crying. They are dying. They are not able to do anything. Ask from Moses. He is not having the money. How is he looking? He is looking so bad. You know guys, ask from Wasit Bhaiya. He is living on rent. He is not having own house. He is not happy. He is not happy today because he is not having the money. Yes, I'm talking about the money. You know, guys, money is everything. Money is our world. Money is our God. In this generation, we are educating ourselves because of the money. If you are not having the money, you will become unpad gawar. Ask from her. She is swimming under the water. She has cancer. You know, guys. She is not having the money. You are.
He can eat, but he can't feed himself.
You know, guys, I am also fed up with my life. I am not having the money. No one is giving me the respect. No one is giving me the value. No one is giving me the attention which I am supposed to be given. No one is giving me the love which I am supposed to be given because I am not having the money. I am fed up with my life because I am not having the money. I don't have my own house. I am nothing, guys. I am nothing because I am not having the money. What is the power of money? Money plays an immense role, vital role, essential role, necessary role in our life. If you want to eat something, if you want to feed your stomach, what we need? We need money. For buying honey also we need money. For buying a needle, we need money. You know, guys, I must have seen so many people are there in this generation. Because of the money, people are, dying. Because they are not having the money. They can't get their treatment done in private hospitals. Because of the money, they are dying in the hospitals. They are getting their treatment in government hospital, but they are dying because they are not having the money. Because they having not the money, because of the money, because of lackings of money, they are not able to do anything in their life. They are not able to make their future bright. If you want to shine like a sun, you should have the money. If you want to become a speaker, if you want to become a singer, director, actor, if you want to become anything in your life, if you want to complete your all the dreams, you should have the money. I should have the money. We all should have the money. Ask from her. You know, guys, she is not becoming anything in her life. She wants to become a singer, but she is not able to take the classes because she is not having the money. She is not having the money. She wants to become a singer, but she is not able to take the classes. Excuse me, guys. I am fed up with my life. I must have seen so many people are there. They are not successful. They are not successful in their life because they are not having the money. They want to be something in their life, but if they are having money so they can make their future bright. I want to become an actor, but I can't take the classes. I don't have money. I don't have single penny, guys. Sir is teaching me free of cost. That's why I'm coming here. That's not even to speak English in the better way, in the good way, in front of you all. But I am not having money. I can't go. I can't take classes. I can't take music classes. I can't take any classes. I am not having the money. I am looking patla and dubla. You all can see. I am looking bahut patla because I am not having money. I am looking so bad. I am feeling down in the dump, down in the mouth. But right now I am not having the money. If you are having the money, you will look so handsome and smart. If you are having the money, you can put coats and pant. Coats and pant, and you will look like a man. You will look like a Bill Gates. You will look like a famous person. There are many famous persons are there. They are here because of the money. People are feeding their stomach. People are achieving their success goal dream because of the money. That is the money. Guys, excuse me, guys. Really, in this generation, money plays a vital role. Money plays an immense role. Money can make your life. But if you're not having money, so money can break your life. Guys. So thank you very much. You have been the greatest spectators, audience, and viewers of the day. Thank you so much for listening to me carefully and attentively. That's it. Keep learning, keep smiling, keep shining, keep achieving, keep receiving. Thank you.
Good evening, one and all. This is me, Meenakshi Samaria, in front of you all. First of all, I would like to say thanks to Suraj sir for having me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you all. So let's get started. So today my topic name is importance why we need to getting success in our life.
Yes.
So according to me, when people born in the earth, it's a universal truth. When people born in earth and then one day they die. But according to me, then they live in our life, spending our whole life in this world. So we need to getting a successful in our life. When you born in the earth and then one day you will die. So it's not when no one can know you. So it's not good. When you are born in this world, God gift you a good life. So you need to getting a you need to successful in your life. So So successful people are doing anything in this world. When people have no success, people have no name, no fame, no goodwill, so they cannot do anything in this world. But because when you are having a good name, you have a good fame, so you can do anything in this world. When you have no one can know you, no one can know you, who are you, so no one can respect you, no one can give you opportunity, nothing is give you to when you are not having a frame. But you have a good frame when you are successful in your life, when you're getting anything, when you are not when you are man, a woman, anything, when you are doing the marriage, when then they know who are you, what are you doing in your life. So when you say that I'm doing this in my life, I am successful, then you will marry with good person. But you have no name, new frame, so you can not do this. So according to me, successful people are doing anything in this world. But thanks.
Okay, if a person is a successful person, then he can marry with a good person, or like without being successful, can a person marry with a good person?
One person doing in अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ हासिल करा, तो वो then he think like I am doing a very good job, I am having a good successful person I am. So then they pray ki
I mean to say, money matters to get a good partner or not?
sometimes.
It's simple. Are you getting or
Yes,
not?
money is
Have you all gotten, guys? Mean to say, money matters for getting the right partner in our life or not? My question is that she has spoken about it, that if we are some things and we can find the good partner and all. So that's my question. Like, does money matter to get good partners in our life or not?
When you are thinking about the good future, bright future, doing very good in our life, so you can need to check the background, they have a money or not. When you are spending with only love, so that's not possible. When you are spending your life, so you need to money, so it's important. You need to have money, so it's important to getting married for someone.
Anybody has any questions for asking from Nancy? Anybody has? Anyone? Give us.
Didi, I want to ask one question. You have to give me answer. What do you think that what is most important, money or respect?
Yeah.
What would you like to choose?
When you have a money, so automatically you give the respect so with someone. When you have money,
Explain it.
okay.
Explain it.
When you have a money, then you take a respect. So both are connected with
You
each
have
other.
to explain it.
Okay. You earn the money, and when you earn the money, then automatically you earn the respect with people. When you have no money, so no one can respect you, no one can know you. So money is important.
That's great.
Okay. Clap everybody. Just clap.
Thank you.
Now, yeah. You. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Are you feeling confident?
Yes, I am. So, hello everyone. This is me, Bhumi, in front of you all. So, firstly, I would like to say thanks, Mr. Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, for having me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you all. As well as I would like to say thanks all the viewers, all the spectators who all are present over here. And so let's get started. So, my topic name is happiness. What is happiness according to you? I think happiness, it's very essential, it is a part of our life, and if we don't have happiness is inside you. Happiness is something that समझ में क्या बना? Happiness is क्या बोलियो अब पॉज हो गई मैं
When you are happy, what you are happy, that is real happiness. When you expect some things to happen, you are not able to have that things. can't be happy in your life? It is being happy. If you are generally looking for the happiness, see what you are happy. This world is the home of sadness. This world is the home of sadness. The cause of sadness is expectations. The more we expect that I should be having this, I should be having that, then we can't be happy. समझ में आ रहा है? यह संसार दुख का घर है, तृष्णा दुख का कारण है। तृष्णा पर विजय पाने से दुख को समाप्त किया जा सकता है। अर्थात ये दुनिया दुख का घर है, पर इच्छा दुख का कारण है। This world is the home of sadness. The cause of sadness is your expectations. The more you keep expectation, the more chances are there to be sad. समझ में आया? यह संसार दुख का घर है, इच्छा दुख का कारण है। इच्छा को अगर समाप्त कर दिया जाए तो आप अपने आप ही खुश हो जाओ। Real happiness. If you are literally looking for the happiness, for being happy literally from your inside, not from your outside. एक खुशी है कि आप बाहर से दिखा रहे हो, आपके चेहरे पे स्माइल है, अरे भाई इससे खुश कोई होगा ही नहीं। एक है कि आप अंदर से खुश हो। अंदर से खुश होने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? What do you need to do? आपको इस मतलब अपने जो भी चीज़ है ना, एक्सपेक्ट मत करो कुछ। एक्सपेक्ट करोगे जैसे कि तुमने एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखते हो किसी से, एक्सपेक्ट कर लेते हो भाई ये मुझसे शादी करेगी, किसी और को नहीं दिखेगी, किसी और को देखा तो मैं इसको मार दूंगा,
किसी दूसरे में अपनी खुशी मत
भाई
दे।
उसकी लाइफ है, वो किसी को भी देखे। तो एक्सपेक्ट मत करो किसी से। एक्सपेक्टेशंस रख ली ना तुमने, नहीं पापा मेरे लिए बाइक लेकर के ही आएंगे, पापा नहीं लाए तो क्या होगे? दुख हो जाओगे। चलिए ठीक है चलिए ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा नहीं आ रहा? द कॉज ऑफ सैडनेस, ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व व्हाई आर वी बीइंग सैड, व्हाई आर वी फीलिंग डाउन इन द डम्प्स और डाउन इन द माउथ, व्हाट इज द रीजन for being sad? When we expect something from someone or somebody, then there are chances that we are gonna be sad. Have you ever wondered, have you ever thought deeply that when do we feel sad, when do we feel feel down in the dumps or down in the mouth? When we expect something from someone or somebody, if that expectation is not gonna fulfill, then we are gonna be sad. So never anticipate from anybody or anything from anyone. If you keep expectations from someone or somebody, there are chances that you will be sad. You will stay by being sad. You will stay by being down in the dumps or down in the mouth. You will never feel like a kid in a candy store or chopped to bits or tickled pink. Are you getting or not? Are you all getting?
Yes.
आपने एक्सपेक्ट कर ली, नहीं मैं ये मर्सिडीज खरीदूंगा और नहीं खरीद पाए तो क्या हो गया? सैड हो जाओगे। देख पा रहे हो आप? मैं इस लड़की से शादी करूंगा, उसने मना कर दिया, उसको कोई और पसंद आ गया तो क्या हो जाओगे? जितनी बड़ी एक्सपेक्टेशंस होगी आपकी, जितनी बड़ी एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखोगे आप, उतने ही ज्यादा दुख होने के चांसेस हैं। नहीं समझ में आ रहा? आ रहा है? जितने बड़े एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपने रख ली और जितने ही ज्यादा चांसेस है वो पूरे नहीं होंगे तो आप सैड ही होंगे। तो रियल हैप्पीनेस चाहिए तो क्या करना है आपको? कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं रखनी, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। आई एम हैप्पी विद व्हाट आई एम हैविंग। आई एम हैप्पी विद व्हाट आई एम हैविंग। जो मैं खुश हूँ उसके साथ जो मेरे पास है। मेरे पास क्या है? जो भी मेरे पास है। मेरे पास अपना घर है, मेरे पास अपना ये है वो है, भाई है, बहन है, मम्मी है, पापा है। मैं खुद अपने आप फिजिकली मैं ठीक हूँ, अपना बॉडी मेरी ठीक है, सही से काम कर रही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है। तो आई एम हैप्पी विद दैट। इफ आई एम happy with what I am having, then I can be happy from my inside. Is that clear? If you are expecting something from someone or somebody, there are chances that you will remain by being sad or by being down in the dumps or down in the mouth. Are you getting?
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक, next. हाँ, आप
सुप्रिया आपने बोल दिया।
next. कौन बोलना था? सानिया. Yeah, what is real happiness according to you?
So hello everyone, how are you all? That's great. So firstly I would like to give my small intro. So hello all my standing marvelous, tremendous, amazing, as well as those who are having different personality, and I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, to having me this golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. So the question that has been asked from Suraj sir, that is, what is real happiness according to you? So, according to myself, what I think, what is the real happiness, that is, that such that, yeah, expectation expectation we don't have to expect from others. It's true. The more we expect from others, the more we get sad if we not get that things. So I think for what is the real happiness, that is like find inside of yourself. Find inside of yourself, because if you are expect from yourself, because if you expect from yourself, so like what I'm expecting, and you will do hard work for that things, and if you can achieve that things, because it's in your hand. If you expect from yourself, so you get happiness. But if you expect from others, what do you get? Only a sadness. If you not get. But in our life, everyone wants to be something in their life, and they become. But many people, they become successful in their life, but they are not able to get success. Then they are not able to get the real happiness. You know why? Because every time they think I have to make happy to my cousin, I have to make happy to my family members, I have to make happy to my to my friends and everyone. They think about them कि like मुझे खुद को वो क्या सोचते हैं? They think what? मुझे उसे खुश करना है, मुझे अपने पेरेंट्स को खुश करना है, मुझे अपने like it's good that you are making your parents feel better, but it doesn't mean like if someone is saying something to you and you in that you are not happy. If you want to be something, and if someone is saying that be that, and there is not your interest, there is you while doing this you are not happy, I think you should not do this. But yeah, it doesn't mean that if you wanna do wrong thing and there is your happiness, so you are doing these all things. It doesn't mean I mean to say like many peoples, if they be something, if they wanna be something, so they see what like sometimes many people they be sad, just because of what, like many people they inside of their like मेरा looking अच्छा नहीं है, they think that I'm not looking good, so they be sad. Some people they be sad just because of like many people they make fun of what many other countries peoples, like the Bihari girl also, Bihari boys also, like many people they make fun of them कि मतलब बिहार से है अच्छे नहीं होंगे, like they make this they make fun of that people, और वो सोच के लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगी कि मैं बिहार से हूँ, like that, कि उस चीज को लेके sad हो जाते हैं कि like inside of me there is no, if you are being sad just because of this, just because of thinking this, so I think you are wrong. If you wanna like be happy forever, so कुछ ऐसा करो और कुछ ऐसा बनो कि कुछ कमियां ही ना दिखे लोगों को, उसके अलावा be something like that. Like if a person, I'm here and I will never be ever be like feel shy, और मैं कभी भी शर्मिंदा फील नहीं करूंगी ये चीज बताओ कि I'm a Bihari girl. Someone believe? I'm true. I'm a Bihari girl. So I will never be sad while saying this, because I improve myself and I do something that I will never be sad like while saying this. And many people are there, they think like I have black skin, I'm ugly, I'm not beautiful. They be sad कि मैं like if I will go वहाँ पे मेरा मजाक उड़ाया जाएगा. If I will go some for the interview, अगर मेरे फेस को देख के किसी ने निकाल दिया तो no, don't think while like don't think these all things and don't be sad. उस चीज को आप इम्प्रूव करके ऐसा करो ना कि आपकी खूबियां के अलावा ना लोगों को वो कमियां ना दिखें. Do something like that. Like if I ask someone, if there will be a whiteboard and there will be only a black dot, if someone we will say na that like what you are saying in that, everyone see black dot. You know why? क्योंकि लोगों को क्या कमियां जल्दी दिख जाती है, और जो हमारे अंदर खूबियां तो लोगों को जल्दी नहीं दिखती. So you don't have to be dumb in the dumb, you don't have to feel so sad. If you will be with yourself, if you will expect from yourself, so of course you will be very happy for ever. So I think हमेशा खुद के साथ रहो और खुश रहो. Don't expect from others.